Myself, Mr. Vimal Shah. I'm representing Omega Wellmesh from Bombay. We've been participating in this exhibition since last 5 years. Extremely happy as usual with the turnout. I think this year the turnout was much better over the span of 3 days than last year. We saw a lot of crowd even on the third day, which is usually the fag end of the exhibition. Next year we plan to actually increase the number of stalls. Last year we had 2 stalls, this year we had 4 stalls. We have already given the confirmation for the next year. And we plan to introduce newer products. We plan to introduce some automation systems. So hopefully with all the crowd and all the turnout and all the potential market that is available in AP, we're hoping to do really well next year as well. See, as of now, we are into conventional cage systems. We manufacture the cages and we're supplying all sorts of equipments that go along with the cages. But next year, we plan to come out with not with products which are not so much labor intensive, as labor is becoming a problem in most parts of the country. So we are planning to come out with automation systems. We are planning to come out with systems which are less dependent on labor and men. So, and we are hoping to get an alliance with some foreign companies and hoping that we could be as competitive as most of the other big players in the market. As far as services are concerned, we give them all sorts of consultancy, whatever is our purview, whatever is our domain of knowledge. As long as they're satisfied with our products, we've never had any service issue. But in case they need any further assistance regarding their shed construction or regarding the finance or anything, any sort of assistance at all, we are always there to help them out. We're always there to give them resources to avail of whatever services they need. We've been participating in this exhibition ever since the beginning. We are part of IPEMA. We are one of the equipment manufacturers. My uncle, Mr. Krupesha, who's unfortunately not here, but I'm sure that he must have regretted not coming. But due to certain circumstances, he couldn't be here. He's part of the exhibition execution committee. He's in the EAC. So we've been participating. This exhibition is pretty much his baby. So we're just carrying his tradition forward.